The flight at 1:30 a.m. Leave the rest.
Fourth and fifth delivery was short deliveries. The last ball coming up. Daniel, probably in my opinion, will be thinking, I want to go for the glory. Pull it nice and full. Who needed last delivery?
Even the chief doesn't want to look at the things directly.
Bounce again. Single bean run. And it's going for a super over. Oh, we wish for a super over. We got a super over. We got the same thing 2 days ago when Bangladesh A beat India A. And ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's super over time.
That was the last thing. And that was the final thing. Oh boy. Winner will be decided by super over. Would you believe it?
What a final stage it has been.
Short delivery. Straight away. Change of length.
Good start from Daniel. Was a bit too quicker for Habibur Sohan. That brings Saklan back on strike.
It's never easy to come in. You've been sitting out and you're not warmed up. It's hard to sight the ball. Remember, the bowler has been fresh, coming off a recent over. That's why they say it's very important to warm up.
Gone are the days, Salman, but when we used to play, you get out, early shower, no more, because in white ball cricket, super over is on. You got to be switched on.
I think when I was playing, there was a super over, so it's taken me like a decade back.
Salman is not too old, man.
That's something to debate about. We'll talk about it later. Bounce again. Ahmed Daniel backpedals and takes it. Very good catch of his own bowling. The momentum is going forward as the follow through. Puts the break, runs back and takes an easy catch.
He is a wonderful athlete. He just bowled it, the hard length, the extra effort ball, giving less time to Saklan, who tried to go big, understandably, and didn't get any timing. And as you just mentioned, putting the brakes on, running back and completing a decent catch.
Yeah, banking on his strength, Ahmed Daniel. Even the first ball that he bowled, banged into the length. Once again, too good for Saklan. He completes a very good catch in the end.
Jishan Alam, the last man in. Down the leg side, Nazi Gori got an hand, but just not good enough. Rubbing salt into the wound, wide, goes to the boundary.
That's a gift. That's a gift from Ahmed Daniel. Down the leg side, wide, 5 runs.
In the death overs in the tournament, he's been getting the ball to tail back in to the right hander. He has to start around the 4th toss stump to finish swinging around middle stump. Much better, and clean bowls him. Length delivery, probably Jishan Alam. Ripon Mondal did the unthinkable against India A. Dismissed Jitesh Sharma and Ashutosh Sharma in the super over. Millions of watching.
Masood both gonna come out, and Irfan Khan Niazi, the skipper, has padded up as the strike. Right hand batter Sadakat, the highest run getter in the tournament, is on to play in the super over.
Pakistan Shaheens. It's been excellent, certainly the find of the season. Here comes Ripon. Yorker straight away, bang on the money. Could be going down the leg side. The umpire will signal for a leg bye.
Yeah, what a start. Pretty much expected though from Ripon. Why those block hole. Yeah, from Bangladesh's point of view, a couple of dot deliveries might put the Pakistani batters under some sort of pressure.
Dot balls and preferably a wicket. That is what Bangladesh will be looking for. And for Pakistan, they need to know it's just one hit away.
Into reverse swing was tail in hander, which will go away from the left-handed Mas Sadakat. Field remains the same. In the slot, running to the stroke. Direct hit would have had him. It was excellent cricket. Full toss. Fine leg in the circle. That's a dangerous line to bowl. And Saad Masood, a good pace of that. That went.
Yes, Rippon.
Oh, inside edge and misses the stump. And with that, Pakistan Shaheen wins it in the super over. They become the only side to win this particular competition 3 times out of 7. Shines are the best team by far, remain